We're here at the Diaz Lake Campground in the county of Inyo. I'm going to see if I can get a decent video, a quick ride through. And you first come in, over here is, I think, just day parking, where you can launch your boat. We got a playground for the kids. Over here is the boat launch. And I think my camera is pretty bouncy. People over here fishing. Sure, there's quite a bit of people here. And past this point is where you gotta pay if you want to stay. And they kind of overdid it on the speed bumps, but people still speed through here. Over on this side, there's usually horses out. They're on the other side of the field during the day, and in the afternoon they come over towards the campground. So if you want to camp here and stay in one of the first sites on the left, and see them way out in the distance under the trees. But anyways, if you want to stay here, stay on the left side, you can bring a bag of apples with you. You can feed the horses while you're here. And I'm using a new mic for the first time, so I hope the wind's not too bad. Like I said, I'm trying to show you the campground, so I'm not going to be going too fast anyway. So over here on this side, you have the buttermilk camping area, where it's kind of free camping. You just pay and go in there and camp whatever site's free. Over here on this side, it's Alabama Hills, which is the same thing, and where you can feed the horses. Over on this side is the camp truck, my camping setup. And this is all carry-in tent camping on this side. But you got a nice dock if you want to go fishing off from. Jeez, it's really bumpy. They do have porta potties, vault toilets, dumpsters, and water here. And out here, I believe it's all reservation only, but you get to stay right next to the lake. With they cleared off some over in the free camp. Well, over in the other ones where you don't need a reservation, it's a little bit harder to get next to the water. Trying to set my cruise control. I don't think I can set it for like 5 miles an hour. Wow, this is pretty full here. There, now that with the cruise set, I could turn the camera a little bit. Yeesh. I don't know about any of you guys, but I wouldn't enjoy this. Just too many people packed close together. I mean, if you want to bring your family and 80 of your closest friends, I guess. A lot of people come out here with their dirt bikes and four-wheelers and their off-road vehicles because they have a big track here. Well, some of the sites are flooded. So I just put that short up saying all the sites were here not flooded. I guess some of them are. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 sites. I guess you could still park right there and camp if you wanted to, if you didn't need much space. I did notice it wasn't very buggy. Although this is the first place I've seen a mosquito. And I notice a lot of times down here at the very end is where people get reservations for and get kind of rowdy. I'm sure not all the time, but if you're going to be loud, it's a good place to be loud. You're all the way at the end. Now I just went around the loop and heading back. See, there's a water spigot and a porta potty. Right up here's a dumpster. And they do have quite a few porta potties, vault toilets, and dumpsters around. Over here on my left is where the off-roading is. I'm not sure how far back in it goes. But I've seen some pretty decent off-road trucks. I mean, purpose-built with the exoskeleton and like 38-inch tires. I've seen some pretty big stuff come through, so I'm not sure how they get there. You can't really see much other than right here in front of me. And that's about it. I mean, you have the campsites here in the center where there's not a whole lot of shade. It looks like a lot of them are pull-through, so you can bring your camper down in. And then there's water spigots sporadically throughout. And it's $15 a night for all the sites, or I'm assuming all the sites. I've never reserved one. Maybe the reserved sites are more. But it's $15 a night plus whatever for a boat, plus whatever for a jet ski, and I think that's about it. If you bring an off-road vehicle in here, I think it's free to take it out there. And since I'm done showing, I'll get moving some. It's starting to get hot going so slow. It's like dumpster. Speed bump. And back into where I'm camping. And this is all I use to keep my bike charged while I'm out here. Got that and a 120 watt solar panel. I'm not really sure what it is, but it charges it up pretty quick. All right, that's Diaz Lake. A quick ride through in case anybody wanted to come up here camping or riding their bike around. There's not much place to ride your bike because I don't think you should be out on the off-road trails. I guess maybe if you found a time when they're empty, like right now, you could go out there if your bike can handle all the sand. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. It really helps with getting me more views because YouTube puts me up further if people are interacting with my videos. So interact. Thanks for watching.